It's Lydia Dustin, your psychic bestie. And we're reading Timothée Chalamet because he's really been in the news a lot because of the whole opera ballet thing, and he's nominated for an Oscar. So let's dig in. So I do know that he's dating Kylie Jenner. And in that relationship, he is definitely the subservient one, and she's going to wear the pants because his energy is very gentle. And if you cover up the left side of his face and look at that right eye, that's the soul eye. See how that eye energy like goes up into his head? That's because his energy is in his head. He's thinking about things. He does not spend a lot of energy in his physical body with his emotions, like feeling around. He hates that. That exhausts him. He is what I would call an introvert. He's probably like a extroverted introvert because he can be an extrovert, but it's exhausting for him. So he's really going to be a homebody that likes to spend a lot of time alone in solitude, and he's going to spend a lot of time up in his head. Like he's not at all who I expect him